how to turn off Facebook update available on your Facebook. Today, guys, I will show you how to turn off this kind of notification. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. And let's start. You will first open your Facebook. Then after this, when your Facebook is open, you will just go here to this three line, and then you will go to settings and privacy, click on it, and then you will go to settings, and then you will go to media and go to updates, and you will go to notifications, and you will find Facebook update available. You will turn off this by clicking here, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video.